What secret debates happened in Brown v. Board of Education? Imagine a room full of the most powerful judges in the country, quietly wrestling with a question that could change America forever. That's what happened behind the scenes during the Brown versus Board of Education case. The Supreme Court's decision was not just a simple yes or no. It was the result of long, private discussions that revealed many hidden debates. At first, the justices weren't sure if the 14th Amendment, ratified in 1868, was meant to end segregation in schools. They looked at old records, congressional debates, and the social climate of the late 1800s but found no clear answer. This made them question whether the law really supported desegregation or if it was meant to keep things as they were. Because of this uncertainty, they held a second round of oral arguments, focusing on what the 14th Amendment really meant when it came to public education. Behind closed doors, the justices debated what could happen if they ordered schools to desegregate. Some were worried about chaos and resistance, especially in the South where segregation was deeply rooted. Others wondered if segregation was truly harmful or if it could somehow be justified under the idea of equality. These discussions were intense and often private, revealing the different views among the justices. Chief Justice Earl Warren played a key role in guiding the court toward a unanimous decision. He believed that a single, united ruling would be stronger and more effective. Warren worked hard to ease the doubts of more hesitant justices, helping them see that segregation was inherently unequal and morally wrong. His leadership was vital in shaping the final decision. The justices also considered sociological evidence from experts like psychologists Kenneth and Mamie Clark. Their studies showed that segregation damaged African American children's self-esteem and development. This evidence helped the court understand that segregation was not just a legal issue but also a social and emotional one. After many private talks and careful negotiations, the court announced its decision on May 17, 1954. They declared that racial segregation in public schools violated the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. This ruling was a major turning point, symbolizing hope for progress. But it also sparked fierce resistance, especially in the South, where many refused to accept the decision. From a 1950s nostalgia view, the Brown decision represented a moment of hope and change during a time often remembered for its traditional values. But beneath that surface, there was tension and struggle. The secret debates among the justices showed how complex and difficult it was to balance law, social change, and national unity during this pivotal period.